Here we have the 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara 4x4. Comes with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, a beautiful gray color. Let's take a look inside. Before we take a look inside, take a look at the key fob. Vehicle is equipped with their remote start engine, so we're going for this right now. Starts beautifully there for us. Let's hop inside. Running boards, leather armrests, nice mesh inserts for some storage, power locks, mirrors. You got your cloth Sahara upholstery, black in color. Pop on inside and get the vehicle fully started up here for us. Speedy push start button. Left side, you got your headlight controls, digital gauge, cluster dimming, some buttons to control what we're seeing in our digital gauge, audio, radio, Bluetooth controls. On the right hand side, you have cruise control functions and your front and rear wiper controls, digital gauge, digital speedometer, vehicle info, transmission temperature, oil pressure, oil life, battery voltage, drivetrain information, your fuel economy pages, trip information for trip A and B, your stop/start information, whatever audio you have playing, any messages you may have, screen setup, back to our digital speedometer. Coming to the infotainment now, we have AM, FM, and Sirius XM available there for us. Let's go to the media. If you want to connect the phone via Bluetooth, you can via this screen. Climate control, we have dual zone electronic climate control functions, all your fan controls as well. You do have heated seats for the driver and passenger and a heated steering wheel. Backup camera available as well. Take a look at our settings. Got your display language, your display, units, voice, clock, safety and driving assistance. We'll definitely take a peek at for parking, backup camera guidelines, hill start assist and tire fill assist. Doors, locks, auto on comfort, engine off, all that fun stuff. Apps, some of the things you already went through, just install individual little pages there. Radio, media, settings. And if you connect the phone via Bluetooth, you'll have access to your phone book, recent, dialing, messaging, you can join calls, mute, transfer, redial, end calls, all that fun stuff. Down here, volume and tuner rockers, your fan controls, front and rear defrost, heated seats and steering wheel are available here as well. Dual zone climate control functions there, auto start stop, mute button, traction control, hazard lights, a screen off button, 12 volts input, all your power mirrors controlled here, media controls, so we have USB, USB-C and auxiliary, transmission shifter, got your 4 high, 2 high, neutral and 4 low drive modes, 2 cup holders, manual park brake, nice big center console, rear view mirror and a garage door opener. Let's take a look outside. We front have our halogen headlights, got 2 front tow hooks, fog lights, got our Bridgestone tires on our gray and silver Jeep alloy rims, got your Sahara, Jeep Wrangler Unlimited badge, trail rated 4x4, running boards, black door handles, rear tinted windows, keep making our way around. Trailer tow hook, obviously your iconic spare tire for the Jeep Wranglers. Open up the trunk, opens up like that, decent amount of room, have extra storage under there as well. Let's take a look at the back. Come to the back, these have a nice armrest, tons of legroom and headroom, that same cloth upholstery as you have in the front. Got your power windows back here as well, 2 USB-Cs, 2 USBs, 115 volt AC input, air vents, inserts right there as well. Let's head back this. And wrap it up with the 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara 4x4 in a beautiful gray color. If you have any questions or want to book a test drive, please visit us at parkmazda.ca. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Have a great day.